Hey, my name is Filip Drozdz with HFO Chicago. I'm a sales engineer. I've been with the company for about 7 years now. Being with a machine tool builder that continues to innovate, releasing awesome product lines like the UMC and the EC series allows me to go to my customers with better solutions and more, giving them options for more capabilities to keep driving American-made stuff. One of my favorite slogans is "Get Automated," and they've really driven that home with their new lines of automation. Coming from the robot loader to the APL to the bar feeder, I think we've done a killer job on. Some of the best experiences for me is going into a customer on like a new machine day, whether it be the first machine or the 10th machine. It's just such a cool feeling seeing a customer so giddy about a machine dropping down and knowing that you're a part of an industry that's driving the US in manufacturing. So I started working in the warehouse as a parts guy, cleaning the warehouse, managing the warehouse, cleaning the showroom, taking orders, sending quotes, and then from there I got into service. I tinkered around in the Rotary Repair department, and from there I found that I have an ability to work on machines pretty efficiently. And then I was an install technician for Haas for about 2 years, and then I ventured more into the repair side of it, where I was there for another 1.5 years, and from there an opportunity opened up for me to go into sales, and I took it without hesitation. Starting at HFO Chicago, I had no idea what my career was going to be, but I allowed myself to be open to any doors, and I walked through any door that opened for me, and it became more than just a career. I found a family, and I found something that I'm really passionate about. I really love manufacturing in the industry.